Staying with us. This is Firecrackers. We are live from Nigeria's commercial capital here in Lagos. Well, tonight on the show, let's cross over live to Barcelona, where my brother and friend is standing by to speak with us tonight. Attihsoul, a Barcelona-based Nigerian singer. Well, Attihsoul, thank you so much for joining us tonight. This is Christmas in a pandemic, but how are things at the moment in Barcelona, where you are, in terms of the COVID-19 pandemic?
I would say it has been really good. However, the governments have put in place a lot of restrictions. There's still a curfew, but people are still allowed to do what they have to do. However, the bars are closed for a particular period of time, and you can't eat in there. You can't eat in. You can only buy and leave. And for family gatherings, the limit for now is 10 people. So yeah, we are allowed to do our things, but then not total freedom. So I think we're enjoying like 30% of the freedom here.
And how would you describe the music industry as well as the entertainment industry? How has the COVID-19 impacted on this particular industry which you belong to?
Yes, I think, in my opinion, I would say 2020 has so far been the most challenging year for musicians, because for a lot of us, especially people like me who are strong on live performances, all these restrictions have really clipped our wings. We can't do much. And like personally, I can't do concerts with more than 20 people in attendance. I can't do more than that. And then, in fact, it puts me in a very bad situation, because I now have to choose people who come for my concert, or it's a bad period. It's a bad period for musicians. So yeah, it's really bad.
Well, Ati, I understand that you have an event and you have to be at that event as soon as possible. I'm not sure we can always speak with you without having you get to allow us enjoy your vocal chords. Is that what you guys call it in the music industry for a moment? So as we begin to wind down on the show, I also know you play the acoustic guitar now. I would love to play one of those instruments. My life is actually too serious, but maybe you can just do one of those.
I'll just get my guitar and then play you something. My guitar, please.
Okay.
It won't be a carol, but I'll just do something for you guys.
Okay.
Are you there?
Yes, we are ready.
Okay. Okay, I'll play one of my popular original songs. It's called "Say You Love Me." Hope you enjoy it. Say you love me. Say you need me. Say you want me, and I'll be yours. You see, I'm shameless. You see, I'm shameless when it comes to loving you. I'd do anything to see you smile. I'd do anything I ever. Girl, if you love me, then it shouldn't be so hard for you to say you love me. Say you want me, and tell me yes. Say you love me. holds me, and I'll be yours. Say you love me.
Barcelona-based Nigerian singer Attihsoul would like to thank you most kindly for doing justice to that song tonight. I think it's your single. Thank you so much. On a lighter note, I'm wondering how many. On a lighter note, I'm wondering how many hearts you have broken with such a wonderful and amazing voice.
So I try not to break them. I don't break hearts. So yeah.
All right, we wish you all the best. Keep the colors of Nigeria flying far away in Barcelona, Spain, and I'm sure we can get to hook up whenever you come to Nigeria. I mean, when we have the restrictions lifted.
Definitely.
All right, Attihsoul, we wish you all the best. Thank you so much for speaking with Galaxy TV tonight. Yes, we also understand that the chairman of the Nigerian Medical Association Lagos is also standing by to speak with us.